So we're gonna go up, take the car. Curtis is gonna follow me in the yellow 458. We get the paint job. It's actually much easier to get in. Let me tell you a quick story. My red 430 was right here. Obviously it's going, but I actually injured my sciatica trying to get in between both of them. I had to like go through both of these like this and get in. And the physical therapist said, "How'd you get injured?" And I said, "Getting in between my Ferraris." So yeah, random story. But anyways, hop on in and we're gonna get going for a ride.
Oh shit!
God damn it! Nothing happened. Ooh, something happened. God damn it!
Oh.
Hold on, Curtis. Let's see if okay. Most of this is just the clear. Ah. Oh no. Damn it. Alright, let's figure out. I don't know. Seems like it's mostly the clear. Thank God. I don't know.
All right. So, fortunately, it seems like we might have dodged a bullet. It seems to have scuffed up the wrap, but does not seem to damage the paint. Wow.
Wow. Thank you, wrap. Expelled to save the day.
So this is why you wrap your paint jobs, because yeah, you never know when this could happen. We might have gotten a little too excited.
But the red one is, it's more emotional, you know, it's louder, it's not as fast, but... Of course so. Yeah, so Dave, one of our neighbors up there, he used to own Auto Perfections. So he lives up in the Heights, and he sold it.
We pull it up on the computer, and then we come over here and load up the film. And this has a laser blade in it. And it's like printing a Word document. It has a laser blade instead of an inkjet.
So you just put the model in, and it has it all preloaded. And so a lot of people, they don't even have all this equipment, so they just have to pre-buy kits. You could just pull up any car, well, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, we go look at your Maserati. We've got a 2000.
I saw a Maserati out front. I think sweet. I love that color too.
Was it a 17? Wasn't it that yours? Your yellow one. Let's look at your bumper kit here. Ferrari. So I just go down the list here. They got all the cars. This is the company's been around quite a while. They're the
really
industry
cool.
leader in designing kits. Okay, what are you?
458 Italia.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Is that the right year or not the right year?
Oh no, 2012. Sorry.
Yeah,
That would explain
I'm
it.
trying to remember that from week, but that was pretty demanding on my. Okay, 458 Italia.
Yep.
All right, so here comes your kit. These are all the rear bumper kit.
Nice.
So here, I'll pull your kit up, right? Oh, there's your little cutout. You guys should have taken out. It comes with that option. So anyways, here's your splice, right?
Just splice it right there.
So what we do, we'll take this bumper here and we'll split it in half. That's got just a, let's see, is interest, am I losing your
No,
No, that's cool.
interest?
No.
Okay, let's see. So we're gonna, tools, we'll bisect it, we'll vertically in the middle.
Oh wow, that's sweet.
I can go grab that and then I print it out. So I need to get rid of those if I needed to. Yeah. So then, so that's
There
how
you
we
go.
do it. So we cut that and it just will print out on whatever that size is and just replace that guy.
All right, cool. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Doesn't man? I'm so glad I wrapped the car, dude. All right, guys. As you can see, we had an eventful day. I want to thank Bill at Transhine for hooking it up. I mean, literally, I crashed into my Toyota Corolla like an idiot, and just a nice little clear line. We're gonna end up probably re-clearing the bumper, but for now, I mean, this could have been way worse. So it went from potential $1,000 of damage to free.
So wrap your cars.
Huh?
Wrap your
yeah,
cars.
wrap your cars. Good advice, Curtis. So, thanks for watching. See you next video.